Hi, my name is Dominic Mundy, and I'm the Executive Director of the Northeast Spa and Pool Association. Building and servicing pools and spas in the Northeast brings with it unique challenges. NESPA, along with our partners, the Association of Pool and Spa Professionals and the National Plasterers Council, are investing in research to find solutions to these challenges. We're working right now on developing a protocol to help identify winter effect problems in pools, specifically crystalline deposits and other surface defects. We're offering a panel session in Atlantic City at the Pool and Spa Show, Wednesday morning, January 30th, from 8:30 to 10, where experts who serve on our committee and who are conducting this research, we're going to talk about what it is we're working on, what we've done so far, and hear from you, the industry, what you need and how we can better direct this research and future efforts to find solutions to problems that will help you in your business.